Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlazia.
Guys, let's just unpack on at the High Court in Pretoria. Guys, Johannesburg is freezing. I'm like, and then it stops and then comes. I'm like, hope you guys are safe and you warm, because I hear even in KZN it's actually very cold and raining. But I guess the whole country, guys, last week it was Eastern Cape, there was even floods. I'm like, why? Hopefully, guys, everyone is fine, after the long weekend. We're back at it again, guys. With the Senzomewa case, is not budging. I thought maybe today he will come back, he will be another person. No, it's just like, no. There's no one in this world who is a liar like Uzungu. Constable Sizwe Zungu is like a liar of note. And the fact that it doesn't know Danzi, he knows my piece on those pictures that Minister is talking about. It's just like, I know my piece, that's my piece. I don't know anyone else. I know Danzi. I don't know Danzi. I also don't know who's Zungu from the Power Soap. Ubrigadier Gininda, why choose to arrest the people that he wanted out of his sucking of his thumb. Like, this is just my thing, because I'm just naye Tobisi is saying the same thing. He chose, and I guess at the end of the day, guys, has always thought he's gonna get away with this. I really believe he's not gonna get away with this. Angahlala nje ahlala Dreamland otherwise. Ncube is like, you know what? Zungu is a liar, like he's lying. I didn't hang around with this person. It's like they went to buy booze together. They were hanging around. They were drinking too. It's like I've never met this person until I saw him in the squad. Please.
Now, Mr. Ncube, I can already see what the lime green color is. It's that color that is depicted there. It's indeed lime green. I don't know what to call it. It's just lime green. Thank you. Now, Mr. Ncube, the time that was perfectly captured by the state, being the time at which this photo was taken, is 15:31. That is 3:30 in the afternoon, on the 26th of October 2014.
Mnumzane isikhathi ke lesiye esike sakhombiswa ke esikhombisa ukuthi isithombe lesathatha ngaso ke bekuyi 15:31 kusho ukuthi 3:30 futhi usuku kumhla ka-26 October ngo-2014.
Thank you. Now, according to how I followed the evidence of Mr. Zungu, is that already at this time you should have been wearing or you should have had that lime green t-shirt on.
Manje ke uma ke ngilandele kahle ufakazi bakhe uZungu ngokuya ngenkulumo uZungu ayebheke ke inkulumo yakhe iyakhombisa ukuthi ke ngalesikhathi ke lesekukhulunywa ngaso ke u-15:31 ukumele ke ubusagqoke yona ke color le lime green.
Now, let us start here. Were you ever wearing that lime green t-shirt on that day?
Masibale la uke wayigqoka ke ngalosuku lolo ke yona le lombala ke lo lime green.
Cha.
No.
I
did not wear that color.
Did you ever go out to take a shower or bath and changed into something else?
Uke waqoba khona inkathi sikhathi lapho ukuhamba khona mhlambe ke uyogeza washintsha ke waqoka okunye.
Now, according to Zungu, when you were in his company.
Ngale nkathi ubona uZungu uyowasuka lapho ubona iZungu wahamba ke wayogeza washintsha obuyasoshintshile.
Number 1 azange benozungu.
Firstly, I was never with Zungu.
Yes.
Azange futhi kube khona ngiyogeza khona.
And I did not go anywhere to shower or take a bath.
Ngageza kuseni ngaleli langa.
I took my bath in the morning on that particular day.
Ngashintsha impahla.
I changed my clothes.
Ngagqoka lezi impahla ngisigqokela.
And wore these clothes that are shown here on this picture.
Ijacket ekhaki.
It's a khaki jacket.
Blue khaki.
A khaki trouser.
Amateka amnyama.
And black pair of tekis.
Indlela engangigqoke ngayo ngaleli langa.
That's the way that I was wearing on that particular day.
Akukho lapho ngake ngathi ngishintsha khona ngigqoke enye into.
At no stage I went to change to something else.
Thank you. I hear you mentioning the type of clothes that you were wearing. A khaki top, you are calling it a jacket, also a khaki trouser, and a black canvas shoes amade amnyama.
Uthi ke ngiyabona ke ukhuluma ke ngempahla ubugqokile ke ngalosuku lolo ubugqoke ke i-top ke okhakhi ibhruku elikhakhi futhi namateki amnyama.
Yebo kunjalo.
Yes, that is correct.
Let's go to photo number 48, please. Thank you. Is this photo a proper reflection, or does it reflect properly the description of the clothes that you were saying you were wearing on this day?
Manje ke lesithombe lesi ke siveza ke ngendlela ubugqoke ngayo ngalolo suku loluya.
Ngoba nje sibonakala kanje usuku lonke kusukela ekuseni mangiqeda ukugeza ngagqoka nje ngalendlela le kwazi washona ilanga.
As the picture is showing, my lord, how I am dressed, that is how I was dressed the whole day. From the morning, the whole day I was dressed like that.
Thank you. Now, what is your response with regard to these allegations that were made by Constable Zungu, that when he saw you, that when he met you at the Basutini hostel, you were wearing a lime T-shirt that you subsequently went away after having taken a bath or a change and put on something different?
Manje ke uthini kuloko okwashiwa ke uyena ke Constable Zungu ethi ke ngalosuku lolo wena ke ubugqoke i-lime T-shirt wasuhamba ke uyoshintsha ke wasubuya ke ushintshile.
Amanga lawo into engazange ziyenzeke.
It's a lie, that did not happen.
Icourt izokhumbula mina ngihlala edrobheni eGoli ngalesi sikhathi.
The court will recall at this time I was staying in Johannesburg in town.
Ngigeze edrobheni ngashintsha impahla edrobheni.
I took my bath in town and also changed my clothes.
Ngiyale nje ngiyofika kweSprite ngiyofika kweFostorasi ngigqoke lezi impahla.
One, when I say one, I mean everybody that's looking at that, at picture number 48, which is, actually let's go back to picture number 47, picture on page number 47, that's the previous one. Thank you. Is it correct that when one looks at the picture that depicts you on that day at this time of the day, which was 3:30 in the afternoon, you don't seem to be wearing anything beneath that the khaki top there?
Kuyiqiniso namzane ke uma sibuka lesithombe lesi ke esiveza wena ngasisikhathi lesi ke wa-Fastri ke ubonakala ke njengomuntu ongagqokanga lutho ngaphansi kwaleya top le khaki uyigqoke ngaphezulu.
Yebo ngigqoke ijacket kuphela nginaskipa nginavest anginalutho.
Yes, I'm just wearing a jacket. I'm not wearing a vest. There's no vest, there's no T-shirt, nothing underneath the jacket.
Thank you. Let's go to picture number 48, picture on page 48. If you can just beam it a little bit. Thank you. Now, this picture again, it's a picture that was also downloaded from your phone, according to the state. That is a picture that was also taken at 3:31 on the 26th of October 2014. In other words, it was taken like almost a minute apart or a minute after the photo that is on page 47.
Uma ke sibheka futhi isithombe futhi lesi sesibili ke naso sikhombisa ke lempatho sigqokile futhi ke esathathwa ke ngo-15:31 usho ukuthi ke umzuzu owodwa emva kwalesithombe lesilapha ku-photo number 47.
Yeah.
Now, before you proceed, would you agree with what the state presented to the court about these pictures?
Ngaphambi ukuthi siqhubela phambili ke uyavumelana nalokhu ke umbuso oyawakunikeza inkantolo mayelana ke nalesithombe lesi,
Owane wesikhathi noma
referring to with the time or what?
Yes, the time and the date at which these photos were taken.
Yes, sikhuluma ngesikhathi futhi nosuku obathi ke lethombe lezi ke zathathwa ngaso.
Yebo ngiyavumelana iqiniso ke.
Yes, I do agree with the state. It's the truth.
Thank you. Now, you would also see that the clothes that you're wearing accords with what you have explained to this court a bit earlier on, or some minutes ago, on the clothes that you were wearing when you left Joburg in the morning on that day.
Futhi ke uyavuma ukuthi ke lethombe lesi ke siveza ke nawe ke ngendlela oyawasho ngakhona ukuthi ke mawusuka ke eGoli ngalosuku lelo ubugqoke kanje ngendlela ivela ngayo la isithombeni.
Yebo.
Yes.
Is there any line T-shirt that you were able to identify?
Manje ke kulesithombe wona khona ke iskipa ke siline ongakhona ukusikhomba sona lapha.
Asikho ngigqoke ijacket kuphela.
There's no lime T-shirt. I'm just wearing a jacket.
Anginalutho ngaphansi.
I have nothing under.
Thank you.
Nivuliwe iziphi yabonakala anginanex ngaphansi.
And the zip is drawn down. It's clear. There's nothing under that jacket.
Thank you. Now, in contrast to the gentleman who's standing next to you, what can you say about him as to what is he wearing?
Manje ke lo mlisa ke lo phambi kwakho la esithombeni ungathini ngayo ugqokeni yena?
Ugqoke ijacket nevest.
He's wearing a jacket and a vest.
Which are clearly visible, not so?
And kuyabonakala lokho angithi?
Kuyabonakala uzipho wakhe uvuliwe naye.
Yes, it's clearly visible and the zip is drawn down.
Uthe mayikhuluma lekhotha uthe ufike lapha noma ngingasakhumbuli kahle noma uthe ufike ngo1 noma ngo2.
And he did also mention that he arrived at that place, even though I cannot recall the exact time, but he estimated to be around 1 or 2.
Lesisithombe lesi esango3.
And this picture was taken around 3.
Kunesithombe sasemazibuko ehostel sango11 ekseni.
And there is another photo that was taken at Mazubuko Hostel around 11 in the morning.
uZungu ngaleso sikhathi utheni bese emsebenzini ngabo11.
And he testified, Zungu, that at that time he was at work.
Usacela ukuthi mhlambe ungivezele sona lapha makungenzeka.
If possible, can that picture be projected?
Let us request our operator to go to photo page number 9.
Angabukhona ngithi phela umuntu lathena sasenayo.
He was supposed to be showing on the pictures because he says he was with us.
Futhi ngendlela asho ngayo umuntu wayespecial nje ngendlela asho ngayo ngendlela athi wachazwa ngayo uma efika yena.
And the way he narrates everything, it gives a picture that he was a special guest or a special person.
So kumele ngabukhona lezitho.
He was supposed to be showing or appearing on the pictures.
So the fact that he is not in the pictures, what does that say about his testimony?
Manje ukuthi ke manje ngoba manje akekho yena uZungu kule thombe lezi kusho ukuthini lokho?
Kusho unamanga. Hayi nokuthi kusho unamanga unamanga.
It means he's lying. He's a liar.
Umuntu vele unamanga lo.
He's somebody that has lies. He's a liar.
Njengoba ubaba akachazela ukuthi wathe uceleze bafakazela kule case. Watshela ubaba ukuthi hayi ukufakazela ecase wazi kahle ukuthi mhlawumbe ukuthi akazi lutho ubaba wakho ngayo.
Even his father did mention that he had approached him to come and testify on their behalf. How can you ask your father to come and do that when he does not know anything?
Lo ukuthi ukuthi awusobala ukuthi nje umuntu onamanga.
That just clearly shows that he's just a liar.
Thank you. By the way, Constable Zungu said he was also called and had a constant communication with Gwabeni over the phone when they were making arrangement for him to come and, according to Constable Zungu, join the celebration at Basotweni Hostel, not so.
I didn't get that, Mr. Minister.
I'm saying, by the way, Constable Zungu told this court that he has been in constant conversation over the phone with Gwabeni when he got invited to join, according to Zungu, the celebration at Basotweni Hostel.
Uye wachaza ke uZungu ukuthi ke ube lokhu akuthintana ke naye ke mnumzane kwabeni efonini ngale nkathi ke mem ukuthi naye eze ezojabula nje nawo. Yes.
So were any pictures probably that were presented just to edify or to confirm his evidence or his narrative that there was such an incident that took place or an occasion that took place?
Manje ke zikhona mhlambe ke ithombe ke eziveziwe la enkantolo ke nazo ke ezikhombisa ukuthi ngempela bekhona ke okunjalo kwenzeka ke ngalolu suku.
Photos that came from his phone.
Ithombe ke ezibuya ke efonini yakhe.
I like what is answered.
Not here in court, we did not see those.
Thank you. Mr. Mngube, in brief, those are the photos that were presented to court